Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to another episode on Texas Dream Homes. Today I have a super unique home located in McKinney, Texas. This home is built by Drees Custom Homes, and it is in the highly coveted Craig Ranch master plan community in McKinney, Texas. This home in particular that we're looking at today is the Thornbury. It is a single family home. It is a 3,200 square foot home, a 3-story home, 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath with a 2-car garage. Now, this floor plan is awesome. It even has an elevator. I didn't use it here today because they don't want you using it without some of the staff helping you out. So just so I don't break this model home, I decided to take the stairs. But a little bit about this area in McKinney. So Pinnacle at Craig Ranch. The residents are gonna, enjoy some of that low maintenance living with these style of townhomes. You do have walking trails. There's a park for your pets. It's just a beautiful area to live in, to be completely honest. You have more than 400 acres of sprawling green spaces. So if you're a runner, you like to go on biking trails, this is definitely the one. Also, if you are an avid golfer, this is an amazing place to live because you do have the TPC Craig Ranch Golf Club, which, being a resident here, is going to include the Craig Ranch Fitness and Spa membership fee. You do have all the other amenities. You do have a lifetime close by as well. And this is all walking distance. So all in all, it is probably a 10 out of 10 location to live in. McKinney is a beautiful and definitely desired area to live in. It was actually ranked the 2nd safest city in the US. So definitely someplace that I would highly recommend to anyone I know to move here. It's a beautiful neighborhood and a beautiful home. So now we're in the 2nd story. All of the closet spaces are like this, very spacious. The townhome feels really nice, feels very luxurious. As you can see, the bedroom size is great. So if you are a family, maybe a smaller family, bigger family, it is gonna fit you well. All of it has a lot of space. You can see a really nice shower. Really nice floor plan. Doesn't feel super tight like other townhomes. And especially it helps that it is a 3-story townhome, which I think is super cool. Having your own elevator in the house, it is pretty awesome. And then you do have a really nice balcony here on the model home. And you can see right there that little green space area. Pretty much right across that is Lifetime. So you can literally walk to the gym from here. Really cool spot to live for sure. And you do have this open space layout here where you can use as an office, study room area. Then you got a game room with a beautiful backdrop of downtown McKinney, which is not too far from here. Downtown McKinney is one of my favorite downtowns here in North Dallas. It just kind of has that old school vibe, but unlike Frisco, it has a ton of more shops, restaurants, coffee shops, all of that. And it's got a little bit of a modern fling to it, so it's a really cool spot to walk around and enjoy the area. Get this linen closet here in the middle, and then the last bedroom on this floor. Again, they're all fairly spacious for a townhome. You are getting some really good sized bedrooms. And then we'll check out the closet space here. Again, all of them have decent space. And I'll show you guys right here is the garage. So that's where you would come in. There's no backyards, which is a plus if you're looking for something that's very low maintenance. You really don't have to worry about anything in this home besides just enjoying it. And then we'll go up to that 3rd floor. Could have taken an elevator again, but they don't want you using it unless the staff is there to help you. And since this is a private tour for you guys, we'll just take the stairs. And now up here, we got a nice little lounge area, kind of like the game room. If you're gonna be hosting parties, this is most likely where everyone's gonna be. You have a really nice open layout up here, and then you have a beautiful little balcony here. Nice and covered as well, so if it's raining or a little bit crappy weather, you can still be out there. And you have this open space layout to the other side of this game room. And then you have a bathroom as well. This door was locked, so I really don't know what that was, but beautiful, beautiful home. This is someplace I would definitely love to live in. The price points for this neighborhood are starting at around $699,000 upwards to $950,000. So there's definitely a big range there. Make sure you reach out to me if you have any questions. Thank you so much for watching. This is all the examples of those other houses here in the neighborhood. They look super modern. I am a huge fan of this style. So make sure you reach out to me with more information. And as always, I will see you at the closing table.